I've took a trip north of the M25, which means I'm in a foreign land known as the north of the UK. I thought I'd come here because every year a friend and fellow photographer of mine, Dan Baker, does a yearly photo meetup at Cleethorpes, which is where he's from, and I always like the seaside vibes he gives. So I thought I'd come down for the weekend, stay local, and see what photos I can get. So hopefully we can get something good. I'm here early. The meetup don't start for a few hours. But I thought, while I'm here walking along the beach, I thought I can get some morning sun, but you know, it's the north. They don't have that. But who knows? Maybe it'll come out later. I just want to get someone underneath that pier, basically. Nice bit of silhouette, nice bit of light, but I don't think it's going to happen just yet. Who knows? I'm looking forward to it though. So yeah, this video is just going to be that. Nice chill one, seaside vibes, and hopefully some good pictures too. So this is one of my visions for an image, but it's too quiet. There isn't the right sun. But framing someone in sort of the underneath of the pier would be quite fun. But you can see where the tide's out. You've got nice sand, not nice sand. I want someone to walk in the not nice sand, where it's really wet still. I don't think it's going to happen. But basically, imagine someone in the distance over there, walking through the pier. That'd be cool. I'd like that. So, if you know of Dan Baker's work, this is sort of this is his stomping grounds, let's put it that way. There's tons of good photographs that Dan has taken of this little area. Little tiny roller coaster, a slide, a Ferris wheel, and a merry-go-round. That's all you need. That's all you need. It looks abandoned, and it might be because it's like 9 AM, but I mean, it's pretty cool to take photos of when it's like this. It's peaceful in its own way. I like all those birds up the top of the Ferris wheel as well, just chilling out. But it'll be a crop. What I want to do is wait for a bird to fly towards the slide and sort of incorporate both. Give it its own bit of separation though, like that. That's pretty cool. I'll wait for it to happen. Like that. Don't know if I caught it there. I was too busy chatting to you. I'll wait for another one. So we're back at the pier. Because I've noticed, even though the sun isn't fully out, where the tide's gone out, it's left this sludge behind, which creates like almost like a backlit surface. So where I'm on a ramp here shooting down at the pier, if someone was walking along that edge, it'd give them a perfect silhouette because that's a bright part of the image and everything else is quite dark. I just need someone wearing dark clothing for it to really be emphasized. It's still early though. Tons of people could still be coming out. I imagine it's going to get busy. Just had to emergency order 2 new SD cards because literally the day after I drive back home from being here, I go to Paris and I've just had one of the SD cards corrupt on me. Hopefully I can still recover the images I've taken so far. If not, I'll have to recreate them. But the sun is really trying now, which is good. And I've been photographing underneath the pier because there's more people, and yeah, all of this geometric shape can create something really nice with silhouettes and stuff. So I've really been focusing here for quite some time. People are walking all around the place now, so yeah, it's nice. It's coming to life a little bit. God, I hope I haven't messed up with that SD card there. Nothing, you know, absolutely noteworthy yet. In fact, my favourite ones have been taken on the new SD card that I've just put in, but still, it's never nice to have an SD card corrupt on you mid-shoot, is it? Let's be honest. It's quite fun. The two hands pointing to one another, and you wait for the subject to walk in between the two, and it'll look like they're getting fully touched. Thought I'd come back to the car for a bit, recoup, hot drink, get ready to go and shoot again. Sky's very flat. Luckily, I'm shooting in black and white, and that's probably the majority you're going to see in this video. Not much colour, which is a shame, because whenever I see Seaside, I see colour and stuff like that. But the sky makes all the difference in images, especially with my style, so I'm just going to have to roll with it. Are you going to buy an SL? Is this the start of something?
It will turn up with something very nice, and normally turns up. I mean, what was it? You had that time you turned up with a 50. No, well, not just the Hasselblad. That ice cream, but that's made the day for a photo. So enjoy. See you later.
You got one? Got one? Just as I was saying. I've acquired a donut, which means I'm going to end it here. The sun has not come out. In fact, it's getting more breezy and I think it's going to rain. But I've had a great day. It's been really fun catching up with Dan. Really fun meeting a bunch of other photographers. And this happens every year, so consider this the start of a yearly video. I'll come down here as often as I can, as and when I'm in the country at this time and stuff like that. Because it's nice to get meeting up with a bunch of different like-minded people talking about all the same thing, right? Tide's well in now. I'm gonna get back and run a hot bath, I think. It's about 6 o'clock. Hot bath and a rum. Hotel, watch out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next 2 weeks where I'll be in Paris. I'm looking forward to that one. See you soon.